several eggs here that have pips. The pip is the first itty bitty little hole that the baby chicken makes because it starts running out of oxygen inside the egg when it gets too big. It's the very first stage of hatching. I don't know if you can see those see the little white spot on that? That's just the itty bitty little hole. Sometimes if you listen really carefully, you can hear them peeping and chirping in there. Sorry, I'm trying to make it focus. See, that one's got a bigger crack in it. That one's just got a little hole. And so does that one. And I'm excited. We're gonna try and get videos, the whole hatching process. This is just the beginning. Can't wait to have some cute little baby chicks to show you. The babies are making good progress since yesterday. You can see this one's little beak. You hear him chirping, or her, who knows. And here's one of the other ones. I think these guys will probably be out maybe tonight or tomorrow morning, maybe this afternoon. You never really know how fast or slow it's gonna happen. We're working so hard. So far it's still just these three. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's been a couple hours. As you can see, this one is making quite a bit of progress. You can see some feathers right here sticking out if you look real close. Focus. Oh, he's working at it. I think this one will be born here very shortly. We'll keep an eye on it, so hopefully you guys can see it too. Still just got these three. I moved them all next to each other so you can kind of encourage each other, because I've noticed it kind of helps if they can hear each other. I don't know if there's any scientific basis to that. It's just what I feel like it helps when they can hear each other. Working at it. You can kind of see what they do after the pip starts. They kind of start working in a straight line in a circle, pecking their way around and cracking through, and that way they can just use their legs and kind of push out. You can see here if you've ever cracked an egg, or peeled a hard-boiled egg, see the membrane there. That's why the humidity level is important, because if it's too dry, that can get stuck to them and they have a really hard time getting out. He's working at it. We'll check back in soon. Oh, here he comes! Here he comes! There's like a couple more big pushes and he'll be out. It's been maybe another hour or so since, oh, there he goes! There he goes! You got it, little guy! And I usually don't help them unless they absolutely need it. It's important for them to do it on their own. The other eggs haven't made much progress, but here he comes. There. Get this shell off of him. Oh, and there is a perfect, sweet, precious little baby chickie. I know they're kind of gross and sticky looking when they first come out. Being born is not always pretty. Ooh, look at him or her. All right, now I'm just gonna put the, hi baby. I'm gonna put the top back on the incubator because it's really important for him to stay warm. And see him kind of flipping around in there. And here in not too long, we'll come back and check. He'll warm up, he'll get all fluffy and cute, and I'll move him to the brooder under the heat lamp, and hopefully some of his buddies hatch soon. Oh, what a sweet little baby. While I wasn't looking, we had another baby. If I can get the camera to focus, which it will not. There we go. We have two babies now. Now I got a little naked neck silky baby, which is what I wanted. I'm really excited. That one looks just like its mommy. So I am going to let them warm up in here. Once one hatches, the other ones really seem to get going, so I'm hoping the other one will be out soon. I'm glad we have two because they do a lot better when they have a buddy. I'm going to put the lid back on again, let them warm up, and I will be moving them to their baby home really soon. So we ended up with two babies so far. They're out of the incubator now, and they're in their brooder area. They're very sleepy. They're resting now. Being born is a lot of hard work. You can see they're all fluffy now. They're not all sticky and weird looking anymore. Still look a little rough. But by this time tomorrow, they should be running all over the place and ready to try things like food and water. They're so tiny. Pick this guy up. Oops, come here. They are just itty bitty little fluffers. Go. We'll let them get some rest.
Baby chickens need to be held by the wings so they don't fly away. Well, chickens in general.
Yeah, but you have to hold them gentle, right?
Gently, because they have very precious lives that they need to live.
You love just snuggling with them on the chair and watching TV, huh?
Yeah.
And they're big enough now, they can come out and be held out of the heat lamp for a little bit. They're what, 2 days old now? They've started eating food and drinking water. And you can see they're all fluffy and sweet and precious.
No, donkey.
gonna say anything else, Charlie? You do a fun fact?
No, I don't really have any fun facts today.
They're just cute.
Yeah. Well, it's the same thing like with the roosters and the spur, but yeah, but it would be a tiny spur. Dad, you ready?